Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we have another lovely prize for you, as you can see here. This is a 1965 Lambretta Series 3 with a 185 Mugello kit. As you can see, it's all in fantastic condition. Really lovely paint job. I think it's a show scooter with these lovely scallops. It's beautiful, rich burgundy. What a lovely thing. So what I'm going to do now is just show you how to start it and show you that it is cold. Touching the exhaust here. It's not too dirty either, which is nice. And we need to put our choke on, which is down, our fuel on, which is down. And we've got ignition up here, which is on. Wait a few seconds for the fuel to go through. And I'll give it a kick and hopefully she'll fire up. Oh. There we are. Let it warm up a bit. It starts really easily. You can find this bike on our website at theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and tickets to this one are $2.99. We've got lots of other lovely scooters on there for you to look at. Yeah, sounds really good. So obviously it needs warming up a bit more before we rev it too much, but I think it's about ready for me to have a little trip around the car park. If you do enter, thank you for your support and good luck.